Hello students, today we will discuss the factor theorem. As we all know that what are polynomials and what is the degree of a polynomial and how to factorize a polynomial. So today we will discuss the factor theorem. Now what is a factor theorem? Most of the students find difficult to establish what is a factor theorem. So let us discuss what is a factor theorem. But now factor theorem says that if Px is a polynomial of degree n greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number, then number 1, x minus a is a factor of p of x if, remember, if p of a is equal to 0. Now I am again repeating, if px is a polynomial. So px is a polynomial which is already given. This of degree n bigger than 1, having degree more than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, we can say that, then number 1, x minus a is a factor of p of x only if p of a is equal to 0. And conversely, we can say that if p of a is equal to 0, p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. So let us elaborate this with the help of an example. So suppose that we have a given polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is the polynomial p of x, like that is a polynomial having degree 3. So 3 is more than 1 and he is asking in the question, check x plus 2 is a factor of p of x or not. So how to establish it? So p of x is a polynomial. P of x is a polynomial having degree 3 means 3 more than 1 and a is any real number. So here what is a? A here is 2. A here is 2. Now we can write a here is 2. A is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. So we can write x plus 2 as x minus 2. So here we can say that now the value of a become minus 2. So x minus a. So in this case, a is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then according to factor theorem, this p of x has a factor x plus 2 only if p of a is equal to 0. So let us check whether p of a is equal to 0 or not. So p of minus 2. So put x is equal to minus 2 wherever x existed. So it becomes minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Let us solve it. It becomes minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6. It becomes 4 minus 10 plus 6. It is 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0. We can say that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. So this is all about the factor theorem. Now you can easily understood what is factor theorem and how it can be applied to check whether a given x minus a or given any given polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial p of x or not. So here in this case, p of x is equal to this, x minus a is equal to this, and x minus a will be its factor only if p of a is equal to 0. So in this case, a is equal to minus 2. We have calculated p of minus 2, that comes out to be 0. So in this case, we can say that by factor theorem, p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can say that by factor theorem, if by factor theorem, p of a coming out to be 0. P of a coming out to be 0. So we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. So this is all about the factor theorem. Thanks.